Recently, I visited the state of California, and since I was there, I had to make a stop at Apple's headquarters. Hello YouTube, I'm Connor, and today I'm going to unbox some t-shirts from the Apple Park campus and the One Infinite Loop campus in California. Starting with this box first, this t-shirt was purchased at the One Infinite Loop Visitor Center for $35. Now, you might be asking yourself, why would anyone want this t-shirt? It barely has anything on it. Well, if you look very closely, the words that make up the ring are actually all of Apple's products listed out in chronological order. It's also in the shape of a circle to symbolize the building at Apple Park. Now, this second t-shirt was purchased at the Visitor Center at Apple Park for $40. And unlike the other one, this one stands out because it has the Apple Park ring in the center with rainbow colors filling it, representing Apple's original logo. It also says Apple Park at the bottom in case people can't tell that it is an Apple t-shirt. Well, there you have it. A quick unboxing of two t-shirts that cost me $80, which is probably the most I have ever spent on clothes. I will say though, the quality of the t-shirts is really good, and the boxes and bag the shirts came in were very good quality as well, showing that Apple goes the extra mile to even make their t-shirts exciting to unbox. If you enjoyed the video, please just take a second out of your life to hit that like button, since it really helps me out. Also, if you want to see more content like this, as well as gaming videos and old hardware reviews, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Anyways, that's all for today, and thank you for watching.